one of those slow nights. Window open, city breeze, moonlight falling on your skin. Nothing loud, just quiet peace. Let the silence settle in. Your head resting on my chest. Heartbeat steady, soft and low. Every second feels so blessed. We don't even have to talk, you know. No rush, no noise, just us in this space. Time moves slow when I see your face. Let's stay in these slow hours where the world don't interfere. No pressure, no expectation, just your body right here. We don't need it ever, we don't need forever. We just need tonight. In these slow hours, everything feels right. Streetlights painting golden lines on the walls and in your eyes. Fingers tracing little signs, like a language we don't describe. Breathing in your calm, like it's therapy for me. Every worry gone when you're lying close to me. Yeah, yeah. No plans, no rules, just how it feels. The way your touch makes everything heal. Let's stay in these slow hours where the world don't make a sound. No questions about tomorrow, just your love right now. We don't need forever, we don't need forever. We just need this vibe. In these slow hours, everything's alive. If the night could last forever, I wouldn't mind at all. If the morning waits a little longer, I'll still be in your arms. Paul said I'll stay right here. Said I'll stay right here. Said I'll stay right here. Let's stay in these slow hours where your heart beats next to mine. No past and no future, just this moment in time. We don't need forever, just don't say goodbye. In these slow hours, in these slow hours, everything's alright. Slow hours, stay right here. Slow hours, stay right here. Yeah. It's one of those slow nights. Window open, city breeze, moonlight falling on your skin. Nothing loud, just quiet peace. Let the silence settle in. Your head resting on my chest, heartbeat steady, soft and low. Every second feels so blessed. We don't even have to talk, you know. No rush, no noise, just us in this space. Time moves slow when I see your face. Let's stay in these slow hours where the world don't interfere. No pressure, no expectations, just your body right here. We don't need forever, we just need tonight. Everything feels right in these slow hours. Everything feels right. Street lights painting golden lines on the walls and in your eyes. Your fingers tracing little sign, like a language we don't describe. Breathing in your calm, like it's therapy for me. Every worry gone when you're lying close to me. No plans, no rules, just how it feels. The way your touch makes everything heal. Let's stay in these slow hours where the world don't make a sound. No questions about tomorrow, just your love right now. We don't need forever, we just need this vibe. Everything's alive, anything's alive. If the night could last forever, I wouldn't mind at all. If the morning waits a little longer, I'd still be in your arms. Let's stay in these slow hours where your heart beats next to mine. No past and no future, just this moment in time. We don't need forever, just don't say goodbye. In these slow hours, everything's alright. Slow hours, stay right here. Just us tonight. City lights outside the window, but I only see your face. Every sound just fades away when you're wrapped inside my space. Your heartbeat sounds like music, slow and steady in the dark. Every little breath you take feels like home inside my heart. No rush, no noise, just this feeling growing strong. When we're close like this, we know where we belong. Between us, there's a quiet kind of fire. Not too loud, but it lifts us higher. No words needed when you hold me tight. Between us, everything feels right. Your fingers tracing constellations on my skin so slow. Every little hesitation melts away, you know. When you whisper softly, close enough to breathe, all the world outside stops existing for me. Don't let this moment go. Let the night move slow. We don't need tomorrow, just this glow between us. There's a peaceful kind of flame. No confusion, no more games. In your arms I feel alive. Between us, we don't have to hide. If the night stands still, let it stay this way. If the morning calls, tell it not today. knows just where to land. Every silence in this room feels perfectly planned. When your fingers find my hand, everything slows down.
In your eyes I understand.
I don't need to look around.
Your breath against my skin,
like a rhythm soft and low.
every time you lean in,
it feels like home. You know, no need for promises, no pressure in the air.
when the world gets heavy,
I just find you there.
stay right here.
Don't disappear.
Let time fade out
while I hold you near. Only this moment, only this night. No past behind us, no need to fight.
just your heartbeat close to mine.
Only this moment feels so right.
If tomorrow comes too fast,
we'll just let it pass.
every second with you
is all I ever ask.
no noise, no fear when you're right here. Stay. I can't break this view.
Only this moment, and you. If the stars fall down tonight,
we'll still be alright.
if the sky turns into gray,
we'll make our own way. Stay.
Only this moment, holding you close. Nothing is missing, nothing to prove.
No rush to leave, no need to hide.
Only this moment,
you by my side.
stay.
No rush tonight. Clock's ticking but we don't care. World outside just disappeared. Your silhouette in candlelight feels like home right here. No heavy words, no loud confessions, just the quiet in your eyes. Every little breath you take feels like a lullaby. We don't gotta say too much, your touch is enough. When you're close to me, everything slows down. In this midnight calm, I don't feel alone. Your heart beats steady like it's calling me home. No storms, no fire, just peace in your arms. All I ever needed was this midnight calm. Streetlights painting shadows slow on the ceiling above. Your fingers tracing lazy lines like you're spelling out love. Every second stretching wide, like time forgot to move. When I'm wrapped up in your arms, there's nothing left to prove. Oh, no pressure, no fear, just you right here. When you breathe my name, it feels so clear. In this midnight calm, I don't need the world. You whisper softer than the truth I've ever heard. No highs, no lows, just safe from the storm. All I ever wanted was this midnight calm. If the night stands still, let it stay right away. If the morning comes, tell the night today. In this midnight calm, I finally breathe. All the noise inside me starts to leave. No fire burning, just steady and warm. All I ever needed was this midnight calm. Midnight calm. Stay with me. Yeah, yeah. No rush tonight. Clock's ticking, but we don't care. World outside just disappeared. Your silhouette in candlelight feels like home right here. No heavy words, no loud confession, just a quiet in your eyes. Every little breath you take feels like a lullaby. We don't gotta say too much. Your touch is enough when you're close to me. Everything slows down. In this midnight calm, I don't feel alone. Your heart beats steady like it's calling me home. No storms, no fire, just peace in your arms. All I ever needed was this midnight calm. Street lights painting shadows slow on the ceiling above. Your fingers tracing lazy lines like you're spelling out love. Every second stretching wide, like time forgot to move. When I'm wrapped up in your arms, there's nothing left to prove. No pressure, no fear, just you right here. When you breathe my name, it feels so clear. In this midnight calm, I don't need the world. Your whisper softer than the truth I've ever heard. No highs, no lows, just safe from the storm. Let it stay that way. If the morning comes, tell it not today. Right here, don't move. In this midnight calm, I finally breathe. All the noise inside me starts to leave. No fire burning, just it's just me and you tonight. City lights are fading slow, but your shadow's on my wall. Every memory we made still echoes through it all. Your perfume on my sweater, like you never really left. Every breath I'm taking now still feels like your silhouette. And I don't wanna sleep alone with these thoughts inside my head. Every time I close my eyes, you're right there in my bed. So stay in the night, even if you're miles away. I feel you in my arms, like you never walked away. Hold me in the dark, where the silence feels so right. Baby, don't let go, just stay in the night. Your laughter in the hallway, still playing in my mind. Every little promise we were scared to leave behind. The way you say my name like it's something sacred, true. I'd give away forever just to wake up next to you. And I don't wanna face the dawn if you're not here with me. Every second without you feels like eternity, yeah. So stay in the night, even if you're just a dream. You're the only light I see in this darkness over me. Touch me in my heart, where it's beating out your name. Baby, don't let go, don't let this fade away. Oh, if love is just a whisper, then baby, let it scream. If this is just a moment, don't wake me from this dream. I'm reaching through the silence, hoping you can feel every word unspoken, every promise still so real. Say, don't be close. So stay in the night, even if the stars fall down. I'd rebuild the sky for you, just to keep you around. Hold me in the dark, let forever start tonight. Baby, don't let go, just stay. Stay with me. Stay with me till the morning light.
Don't let the night end. Not yet.
Moonlight falling on your face, like you know just where to land. Every silence in this room feels perfectly planned.
When your fingers find my hand, everything slows down. In your eyes I understand, I don't need to look around.
Your breath against my skin, like a rhythm soft and low. Every time you lean in, it feels like home, you know. No need for promises, no pressure in the air. When the world gets heavy, I just find you there.
Stay right here,
Don't disappear. second with you is all I ever